From ancient whispers to modern mysteries, the moon has captivated humanity for millennia. But what if our ancestors knew more about Earth's celestial companion than we ever imagined? Tonight, we embark on a journey that bridges the gap between indigenous wisdom and cutting-edge science, exploring how ancient lunar knowledge might have predicted some of the most perplexing discoveries of our time. For countless generations, indigenous cultures around the world have woven intricate stories about the moon. These weren't mere fairy tales, but complex narratives that may have encoded real lunar mechanics. From the frozen tundras of Siberia to the sun-baked deserts of Australia, diverse cultures shared strikingly similar moon myths. The Siberian shamans spoke of a hollow lunar realm where spirits dwelled. Hindu traditions described the moon as a vessel of divine nectar. Aboriginal Dreamtime stories portrayed the moon as a living entity with its own inner world. As we venture further, we encounter the Inuit people of the Arctic, who believed the moon housed the souls of the departed. The Cherokee Nation of North America saw the moon as a sanctuary for animal spirits. And in Mesoamerica, Aztec mythology depicted the moon as a cosmic cavern, home to deities and otherworldly beings. These ancient tales, passed down through oral traditions, seemed like fanciful legends to early Western scholars. But as we delve deeper, we find an uncanny connection between these indigenous narratives and modern scientific theories that have puzzled researchers for decades. Enter the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s. As humanity took its first steps on lunar soil, these groundbreaking expeditions not only expanded our understanding of the moon, but also inadvertently lent credence to some of the world's oldest stories. The Apollo astronauts conducted seismic experiments sending shockwaves through the lunar surface. To their astonishment, the moon rang like a bell, reverberating for hours after each impact. This unexpected phenomenon sparked a controversial theory in scientific circles. Could the moon be hollow? While mainstream scientists dismissed the idea, it ignited the imagination of researchers and conspiracy theorists alike. The concept of a hollow moon, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, suddenly found itself at the center of heated debates in the scientific community. But how do we reconcile these modern theories with ancient indigenous knowledge? The answer lies in the remarkable parallels between the two. Indigenous cultures across the globe describe the moon as a vessel, a cavern, or a realm with its own inner world, concepts that align surprisingly well with the hollow moon theory. It's as if these ancient storytellers had insight into lunar structures that modern science is only beginning to unravel. Of course, modern scientific explanations offer more grounded interpretations of these phenomena. The moon's bell-like ringing, for instance, is now understood to be a result of its unique geological composition and lack of water, which allows seismic waves to travel more efficiently than on Earth. Yet, these explanations don't diminish the value of indigenous knowledge. Rather, they validate the keen observational skills of our ancestors. As we piece together this cosmic puzzle, we're left with a profound realization. The line between ancient wisdom and modern science is far more blurred than we once thought. Indigenous lunar knowledge, far from being mere mythology, may have captured fundamental truths about our celestial neighbor, truths that took modern science centuries to confirm. This convergence of ancient and modern understanding raises intriguing questions about the nature of knowledge itself. How did indigenous cultures, without advanced technology, develop such nuanced understanding of lunar mechanics? What other secrets might be hidden in the stories and traditions passed down through generations? As our journey through lunar lore and modern science comes to a close, we're left with a sense of wonder and respect for the wisdom of our ancestors. Their stories, once dismissed as primitive myths, now stand as testaments to human ingenuity and observation. In the dance between indigenous knowledge and scientific discovery, we find a beautiful harmony, a reminder that the pursuit of understanding is as old as humanity itself. The moon, it seems, still holds many secrets, but as we continue to explore and unravel its mysteries, we would do well to listen not only to the beeps of our instruments, but also to the echoes of ancient voices. For in the confluence of old and new, we may find the key to unlocking the universe's greatest enigmas.